it's kind of dirty, but I just wanted to show you guys how pretty it is. I really like aesthetics, and I think this is like a really nice, simple way to present product. And it's simple, but then it really brings out, like, it makes the product stand out and you want to buy it, you know. So there you go. And the razor, the Billie razor itself came in this box right here. Hi guys, welcome back, welcome. And today we're talking about hygiene, female hygiene. I have 2 other videos, I think, or 3 that I've talked about in relation to, as it relates to hygiene. So if you're interested, guys, grab your tea, grab your popcorn, or whatever you enjoy, your ice cream. Let's get right into it. And per usual, anything that I do recommend, the links will be down below or on my blog. And please do shop cash or debit, because we're all about financial freedom. 2, however, also bring a friend or family member in, you know, my channel. They will find something that they will enjoy. I try to keep it, you know, different and funky and fresh, you know. Yeah, so don't be shy, okay? And also, any details on any makeup look of mine or outfits or things like that, accessories, always listed on my blog. Link is down below. So without making this too long, because I think it might be, let's get right into it. We're going to talk about quick shaving and, you know, hygiene accessories that I've been enjoying on okay, so we're going to find that right now. So let's get right into it, guys. Yeah. Oh guys, so Billie is like a razor. They've been buzzing about their razor all over social media for the past couple of months or so. So I finally decided I'm going to try the brand. I tried different things, their body wash, I tried their razor, I tried their facial wipes, and I like the brand so far. So I'm going to show you, you know, what I've been using lately. This is the Billie brand I was talking about. This is their razor, guys. I really got it for the aesthetics. And look at that right there. It says Billie right here. It's so gorgeous, so cute. I also like the opening right here because it makes it so that your blade does not rust and it dries up fast, and you can still hang it on in your shower. I have a hook on my shower rack, but you can also use this and pin it to and stick it on the wall, and this kind of magnetizes, and you know, it kind of sticks on. Yeah, so pretty much you stick this on the wall and you do so, and it kind of hangs. So this is really cute, and they have different colors, and that is the blade. You can do refills every 3 months. I really like it. I love the aesthetics, guys. It's worth the money, I feel like, for the price, and versus how many times you want it. It works for me to order it, so I think it's something that I don't mind subscribing to. I'm still subscribed. I'll leave all the links down below so you guys can kind of see what the prices are. I think it's very affordable if you don't want to go to the store all the time to buy your razors, or if you are busy and you just want it to be delivered to you, you can check the frequency and what works for you and get it. So I really do enjoy these. They have a really smooth shave. Their body wash can work as a shaving cream as well, so definitely try that out. It's really good. So I'll talk more about the body wash in the skincare video for the body, but for the personal area, the private area, we're just gonna keep it with the razors and stuff like that. So definitely a good razor. It is worth the hype. The aesthetics is pretty, it's affordable, and yeah, so I really did enjoy Billie. The shaving cream I've been using, like I said, I just use any body wash I'm using at the time, but I actually bought this one because it's for men, and I found that men's things tend to work pretty good. And this is the hairiest shaving cream. The only thing I don't like about it is that it smells so strong, because it's for men, obviously, but it does give you a truly wonderful smooth shave. Like, it's good. I really like this. I usually use this with this, or I typically like to use my body conditioner as well from Aloe. You guys know I love that, to kind of do a close shave as well. Like I said, any body wash that I use that I share in my videos, I actually use them as body shaving creams so that I can save money because they are really good. So there you go. And guys, the other razor I wanted to compare the Billie to is the Hydro Silk 5 bikini style razor blade, and I like this. I haven't figured out how to use this other side because it does take a battery, as you can see, but this side right here, it freaks me out, guys. It does open up. I don't think I barely use this. It kind of freaks me out, but it's supposed to give like a nice close shave, as you can see. But I barely use this side because I just feel like it's kind of scary. But I love this side. This is a really good close shave as well. If you want to keep going to the store, this Hydro Silk 5 one is really good. It gives a really close shave as well, but it's however more expensive than the Billie razor, so you'd have to do couponing like me to get this, like, to be affordable. So the blades are quite expensive, the refills are quite expensive, this is quite expensive, especially as opposed to Billie. So I would say get Billie if you're on the budget, but if you can afford this is really good too. So I typically keep both of them right now because the one I use for my underarms, the one I use for my private area, because I realize I can't mix them, because I have to use one up here and then use it down there and then toss it, because it kind of gives me like bumps under here if I share razors. I don't know, it's crazy. So I can only use razors under my arms once and then toss it. Unless I use them separately, perhaps I can reuse it under my arms, but it's still kind of like scary for me because it can get bumpy and it hurts so bad. So I typically keep like this, one of them for the bottom and one of them for my under area, so that I can kind of like use it longer and save. But if I feel like my arms start acting funny, I kind of change the blade right away. I usually keep a blade for like a couple of weeks and then I toss them out, not for too long. But I really love this one. Oh my god. And this pack came with one, you know, blade, and you buy the refills, which are very expensive. Okay, so I do want to say that I did try the Billie shave cream. I feel like it was really good. It has a really good clean, close shave, smooth shave, especially given the blades here. It kind of works well together to make it so smooth, effortless, fast, and you know, the hair doesn't grow as fast. So I do like the shave cream here. And I also tried their dry by body lotion, the sample, and I don't remember exactly because it's been a while. It didn't wow me, but it was good. It's moisturizing. It's like, it's nothing that I haven't seen before, so it's not something that I would jump for. But if you want to try it, go ahead. They're all affordable. So, but it wasn't a wow factor, so there you go. But the shave cream was a wow factor, especially this razor. Like, combined, it was just amazing. And the box here is kind of dirty, but I just wanted to show you guys how pretty it is. I really like aesthetics, and I think this is a really nice, simple way to present product. And it's simple, but then it really brings out, like, it makes the product stand out and you want to buy it, you know. So there you go. And the razor, the Billie razor itself came in this box right here, and it was just like in here like that. So I thought that was cute. And these are the blades, the 5 refills that I got for this one, so it will last me a while. So I got this 5-pack and I can just switch it out. Pretty cool. As I explained to you guys, I am still subscribed to Billie, and I love the aesthetics. They sent me my refills, my blade refills, and it's so cute. This actually had like a little hanger where you can kind of like hang this up. It's so funny. Those are my refills right here, and it was only like $10 for all these refills. Like, look at the aesthetics. Like, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you get 6 refills. You get 3, 4, 5. You get so many refills, guys. Like, I don't even know. Like, I have 3 here, and I have another 3 here, and I have 1 that I'm using right now out of this whole entire pack. So you get a lot in here. You get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blades. Oh my god. So this is definitely affordable, and I think I only paid $10 for it. So 7 blades every 3 months it's not bad at all, guys. So I think Billie is a good thing to try if you wanted to do a subscription, for those of you who love it. Next thing I want to talk about is if you are someone who's on really on the budget and you just want a regular disposable razor, this Beauty 361 is actually the best so far that I found that's affordable and disposable, that doesn't give me bumps and that makes it smooth down there. Oh my god, these are amazing. I've talked about it so many times. It's the Beauty 360 by CVS, the CVS brand version of, like, you know, things. So this is really good. So that is what it looks like, so you guys can kind of see. I love this so much. If I'm on the go and I run out of blades, I usually buy this as a backup because it's that good. I'm gonna show you one up close and personal. So that's how they look like right there, guys. It's nice and simple, but this gives you a really good shave, y'all, believe it or not. Like, I was actually wowed by this. It was like one of those gems that I found by accident because I was getting tired of razors, and my last attempt at disposable razor was the jackpot. But of course I reviewed things, so I had to, you know, try Billie and Schick because it was trending. I mean, they've been trending for a minute now, so there you go. Don't say I didn't put you on. All right, guys, I forgot to mention this Nair sprays away argan oil hair remover. It actually smells quite bad, and as you apply it, it's really cold to the touch, but it's really good if you want to shave your legs and body on the go. I actually really like how fast and efficient it is. It gives you a really good close shave, so this is another great option if you wanted to try and you don't mind the cold sensation and the fact that it smells so bad. And yeah, so there you go with that. It wouldn't be a hair removal video if I didn't talk about Sally Hansen, because you guys know they are the underdog. So I got the wax strips. They've been trending as well. This one is for the body, and it has 30 strips, and this one is for the bikini, and it's smaller, and it has 31, and they're just smaller in size. This is not my type of thing, guys. I don't like waxing at home. I only like waxing if like somebody else does it for me, because I feel like it hurts and I'm not committed. But that's how the wax strips look like. You just pretty much take it out. So you just take them out, you wipe, you rub them in between your hand to activate that wax and make it warm. And once it's like warm, you peel it off, open it, put it where you want to wax, and it kind of waxes things off. Do they work? Yes. You have to put in some effort and be patient and not be scared, and they do work. But it's not my thing, not something that I would repurchase just because it's not something that I want to do. I prefer to just shave or go to support a small business and have them do it for me. I personally don't like waxing at home. So should I recommend this? Yes, if you're into waxing yourself. A lot of YouTubers use these. They think it's amazing and it's more convenient, which is great. But for me, it works. It does take time to work and patience, but it's not for my lifestyle for right now. But they're amazing products, and they're quite affordable, and they do have coupons and deals and coupons they have deals, sales, coupons, and promotions at CVS. So yes, y'all, that is it for my personal hygiene for your ladybug down there and your underarms. I hope it really helped you. I've done videos before on hygiene and things like that, and you guys can watch that. I think YouTube will recommend 1, 2, 3, or 4 videos right about now. You guys can bring your family or friend in need. You guys can definitely try to watch different things. I promise you will love it. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this, please do give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Don't forget to praise God. Ciao, guys. Mwah, bye bye. God bless y'all.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.